kids, welcome to my channel. This video is about animals and birds. In today's video, we will learn animals name and birds name starting with letter V with their videos or picture. Vernal hanging parrot. Vernal hanging parrot. Vulture. Vulture. Viper. Viper. Vampire squid. Vampire squid. Vampire bat. Vampire bat. Warden. Warden. Velvet ant. Velvet ant. Velvet azity. Velvet azity. Vicuna. Vicuna. Weasley. Weasley. Variable hawk. Variable hawk. Vervet monkey. Vervet monkey. Wange flycatcher. Wange flycatcher. Volcano rabbit. Volcano rabbit. Variable oyster catcher. Variable oyster catcher. Wheeled chameleon. Wheeled chameleon. Victoria crowned pigeon. Victoria crowned pigeon. Varied carpet beetle. Varied carpet beetle. Velvet crab. Velvet crab. Victoria's rifle bird. Victoria's rifle bird. Variable checker spot. Variable checker spot. Velvet purple cornet. Velvet purple cornet. Ventiname's mossy frog. Ventiname's mossy frog. Venezuelan red holler. Venezuelan red holler. Wagglecop boar bird. Wagglecop boar bird. Variegated squirrel. Variegated squirrel. Vole. Vole. Vanga. Vanga. Village weaver. Village weaver. Virginia opossum. Virginia opossum. Veery. Veery. Vice and Bertie pig. Vice and Bertie pig. Vulturine guinea fowl. Vulturine guinea fowl. Viper fish. Viper fish. Velvet worm. Velvet worm. Vireo. Vireo. Vancouver, Iceland marmot. Vancouver, Iceland marmot. Variox sifaka. Variox sifaka. White spotted deer. White spotted deer. Virgin Island dwarf sparrow. Virgin Island dwarf sparrow. Thanks for watching. If you like our content, like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.